Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can download credit report on Credit Karma account. You can easily access your free credit reports and download it from Credit Karma. So here's how you can do it. First of all, open a web browser and then type in creditkarma.com in the URL box. Once you're inside the main home page of Credit Karma, mouse over to the credit scores option at the top of the screen and then click on Free Credit Report. Now, click on the Get My Free Reports option and log into your Credit Karma account by entering your email address and password. If you don't have an account yet for Credit Karma, click on Create an Account and sign up for free. Once logged in, after your credentials are correct, you can navigate to the credit report section and you will find your TransUnion and Equifax credit reports. Click on the report you want to view and then select Print Report on the right-hand side of the credit report. Once you do that, you will be able to find the option to download it. So that's how you can easily download your credit report from Credit Karma account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.